Hello, now we are in the inspection before shipment, and this item is the no locker slider body. As you can see, here is one cotton with 10 bags, and each bags have 20 little package. You can see 20 little packages, and for each package is packed with the paper. The slider body with the paper is for the high quality slider. The low quality will without the paper package. This is the no locker slider body. As you can see, it's very shiny. It is shiny silver plating. If you are interested in this product, please feel free to contact us.